Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to share with you how to recycle old clay lamp. I need old clay lamp, red acrylic color and a painting brush. So I am using red acrylic color. Now I am using white acrylic color. Now I am attaching this stick with this lamp using glue. So it is completely ready now. You too can use old lamps to decorate your garden more beautifully. Guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more videos.